2023 Honda XR150l exhaust mode came today, and I installed it today in bar raisers. So this is the Amazon $96 exhaust, but there was one problem. Here fits everything perfect, but carburetor is about, ouch, it's hot. Carburetor is about 1/4 inch space. I'm gonna have to buy some wrap and wrap it around. And over here, the main problem was, look, when you install this pipe, I was short that long. I had to go to the muffler shop, and they made this piece for me, $5 extra. $5 is not much, but anytime you do something and doesn't fit, ooh, it's kind of irritating. Also, this bracket, I was gonna swap it, but there is no way to unscrew it, because you start unscrew it and there is a nuts inside, you just start losing it and just keep twisting and twisting it. There is no way to swap it. And also you will see the bracket touching this black thing. Well, it is what it is. I was gonna trim it, but I just installed it like this. And also, as you can see, I got rid of the tail. That's the first thing I did. As soon as I got the bike, I got my Saza and I trimmed it. And there is a tail and all exhaust. But don't get me wrong, I love it, and it does sound really nice. I will start it for you. Oops, sorry guys. That sounds very nice. Before you start, don't forget to push this button. That way you will not look dumb like me. I hope you like it. Well, you guys enjoy then.